You're welcome to my. All right, so we are all welcome. Let's quickly do this. Okay, I think my. Okay. All right, so let's quickly have those that are joining me currently. Let's have them. Let's have those that are joining me currently. Let's have them. Okay, I have you. Just comment in the chat section so that just comment in the chat section. All right, that's nice. That's nice. So let's quickly do one or two things. So there's something I'm going to do very fast. I'm going to quickly talk about what CPI is all about. What is CPI? But I want you to understand that CPI is a fundamental event. CPI is a fundamental event. But then before we proceed, let's see if my audio is very, very clear. Before we proceed this afternoon, is my audio clear? Just type in the chat box. We are good to go. Just video also. Okay, so don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share this video with every traders that you know. Now, what is CPI? What is CPI? CPI is a fundamental event that traders trade across the globe. Fundamental event that traders trade across the globe. So, for example, now there is a data called GDP. GDP is a data that affects the economy of any that affects the economy of any of the developed economy. So if you are talking about developed economy, we are talking about economies that have been able to stand the test of time. All right. I know that we are here to be able to see how we can, buy and how we can easily just sell, which is what I'll be giving to us before the end of the session. All right. So before the end of this session is part of what we are going to be discussing. Okay, my name is Gabriel Oreton once again, and I'm a Forex trader, a Forex analyst, and also I want you to understand that what we do is that I tell people what to buy, I tell people what to sell, I tell people what to even do. Whether you want to buy or you want to sell, I tell you when to buy, and I also tell you when to sell. All right. So those are part of. Okay. So let's have this now. So I think I'm back live. All right. So the network has been very funny. Okay, but then it will not stop us from making money in the market. Okay, so just stay with me. All right, so the first instrument I think I'm going to quickly talk about is going to be EURUSD. EURUSD. Okay, so now EURUSD has shown some level of movement, for some few days now. Some level of movement that's done its ups and then it has done its downs. So ups and downs. All right. So the platform I'm using is MT5. So I'm using the MT5 platform. So for those that are still on MT4, there's just a slight difference in terms of price for MT4 and for MT5. So you might want to just take note of that. Okay. So for EURUSD, I'm going to be giving us some pending orders that we can use. Okay, some pending orders that we can use to trade. Pending orders that we use to trade. Pending orders like buy stop. Okay, so Euro USD buy stop 784. Entry price at 1.18784, and TP is 1.18947. All right, so we have the entry price, and we have okay, so I think I'm back. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so I was talking about gold earlier. You know, gold is a very interesting instrument, and you know, for gold, all you to do is you know, you can decide to just stay still, because gold is a very interesting instrument. All right, gold can be very, very amazing. Gold can be very, very amazing. What do I mean by that is gold has its way of showing so many signs of something you might not even really understand. So you might not really understand what to do on gold. But most likely, let's wait for the news to happen, and we are going to see how we can trade gold when the news happens. Okay, when the news happens, we'll see how to trade gold. But for now, we are just few minutes away from CPI trading. So we are a few minutes away from CPI. Okay, you can also comment where you are watching me from, so that you can give a shout out to your country, as if you're